Go, go. Turn, turn, turn. Turn.
Alright guys, I'm going to bring a ladder through here.
Okay.
You waiting for somebody?
Go this way.
Left.
Go this way. Go this way. Go left. Go left. Back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up.
I can't back up anymore.
You guys got to be careful, alright?
Alright,
Okay.
yeah.
Turn left. Come on, race car.
No.
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 Just do it. Turn left. God, she's gonna go. Turn left on Howie.
No. The police lady. We're not in Walmart.
We're in Home Depot.
Yes.
Don't try this at home, kids. I'm a professional race car driver.
Oh, we hit the car.
We're kind of collision. Boom, boom, boom.
Stop
Come
it,
on,
Joyce.
race car.
Stop it, Joyce.
Race car, go.
No, did she go?
Go, 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 go. Right, 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 right.
No.
Whee!
I think we lost her.
Ah!
I think we lost her. Oh no! Oh, no.
Look how everybody watches this video coming.
Oh no!
No. Joey Logono doesn't want to be pulled.
No!
You're gonna make me hurt you because you're gonna make me late for this game and I'm gonna be pissed off.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Oh, God. I knew she was just around the corner.
Yeah.
Park that.
No! Fine, outside we go. Yay! Turn right. Turn right.
Easy, guys. Easy.
Be easy. Here we go. Easy go. Beep, beep.
Did you already pay?
Yeah, I paid like 10 minutes ago.
Oh.
Hi. Going too bad. Way down here.
Somebody's car. I'm gonna hit them.
Sorry. Go left. Turn left. Go straight. Go straight. Watch out for the people. That was almost a hit. Run. Oh! Oh! God, no! Oh!